Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of accessing your WGU student portal using your 6-digit application PIN. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the WGU website. In the address bar, type in the official WGU website URL, www.wgu.edu. Press Enter to load the site. Step 3. Locate the student portal login. Once you are on the WGU homepage, look for the student portal link. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Access the login page. After clicking on the student portal link, you will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for entering your credentials. Step 5. Enter your username. In the provided username field, enter your WGU student username. This username is usually assigned to you during the application process. Step 6. Enter your 6-digit application PIN. Next, find the password field and enter your 6-digit application PIN. Make sure you enter the numbers correctly to avoid any login errors. Step 7. Click on the login button. Once you have entered both your username and PIN, click on the login button. This action will attempt to log you into your student portal. Step 8. Access your student dashboard. If your login is successful, you'll be directed to your WGU student dashboard. Here, you can access various resources, courses, and your academic information. Step 9. Troubleshoot if necessary. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your username and application PIN. If you're still having trouble, consider using the Forgot Password option or contacting WGU support for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.